Brevo Affiliate Program. Become a Brevo Affiliate Partner. So hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to become an affiliate partner in Brevo. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, what you want to do is just to open up your web browser and then just search up for Brevo Affiliate Program. So just search that up, and then after that, the first result that will pop up right here is the Brevo website that will allow you to join the affiliate program. So again, just click on that and then you'll be redirected here. So the site is called brevo.com/affiliates. So once you're here, what you can do is to sign in your account if you already have a Brevo account, or you can just start signing up again. So to sign up, what you want to do is just input your first name, last name, your company website, your work email, and your country. So in becoming a Brevo affiliate partner, you will get a lot of incentives. So here, as we scroll down below, as you can see, these are the incentives or commissions that you can get by joining the affiliate program. So the first one is attractive commissions. So promote Brevo to your audience and earn interesting rewards each time a referral subscribes to Brevo. Second one is high conversion rates. So thanks to its rich features, user-friendliness, and competitive prices, Brevo has quickly become a leading marketing platform. And then lastly, we have reliable real-time tracking. So Brevo uses PartnerStack, one of the most reliable tracking solutions that lets you monitor your commissions in real time. So cookie duration is 90 days. So once you're assured that you want to be an affiliate partner for Brevo, just start signing up by inputting your details right here. So just input your details right here. So I'll just do that right now. So after inputting your details and joining the affiliate program, just click on next. Then after that, it will ask you, is the website that you inputted your primary source of traffic? So just choose to answer either yes or no. So for example, I'll just say yes. Then after that, just click on next. And then it will ask you, where is your audience? So is your audience from your blog, from your YouTube channel, podcast, email, Google Ads, etc., etc. So as an example, I'll just choose email. Then after that, once you're done choosing, just click on next. Then after that, it will ask you, what is your audience size? So just write down a number. So let's say my audience size is around 50. And then it will ask you what kind of resources or content will be helpful for you to promote Brevo. So feel free to type in whatever you like. As an example, I will just put down email marketing. And then once you're done, just click on next. Then after that, it will now ask you to accept the terms and conditions. So just click on accept. And then there you go. So there will be a message right there that will pop up that says, we appreciate your interest in working with us and are excited about the possibility of collaborating with you. So our team will be reviewing your application shortly and we will get back to you as soon as possible. So all you have to do now is wait until their team replies to you so that you can join the affiliate program. And then after that, what you want to do now is to check your email. So when I checked my email right here, I have now received an email partnership from Brevo. So as you can see over here, thanks for signing up for the Brevo Partner Program on PartnerStack. So follow this link to finish signing up and access your PartnerStack dashboard. So just click on the link, and then right now, it will now ask you to create a PartnerStack account. So again, just input the details that you want. So you input your first name and last name, and then your password. And then once you're done, just click on create account. And then there you go. So once you're done creating your account, you'll be redirected here. So you now have access to the PartnerStack dashboard. So just click on dismiss right here. And then again, it will now ask you to agree again to the terms of services. So just click on this checkbox right there and then just click on confirm agreement. And then there you go. You are now an affiliate partner for Brevo. And then from here, you will also receive offers right here when someone uses your link in signing up for a Brevo account. So you can see over here, you will get $5 per new account created and $100 per new paying client. And then from here, you'll also get to see the customers that have joined your link. You also get access to resources. So you'll get to see your Brevo logo right here, creatives and bundles. And then we also get to see right here the messages. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to join the Brevo affiliate program.